Now, students often ask me, Professor Edwards, what makes calculus difficult? Hello and welcome to our course on calculus. My name is Bruce Edwards, and I'm a professor of mathematics at the University of Florida. Now, students often ask me, Professor Edwards, what makes calculus difficult? Why aren't I doing very well in your class? And after many years of teaching calculus and teaching mathematics, I sort of have a good idea of why calculus, I think, is difficult for some students. On the one hand, it requires pre-calculus. I pointed out even in that last example we did, some instances where we needed some pre-calculus. We needed to factor something, we needed to find the equation of a line, and as we go through this course, we'll have to talk about trigonometric functions, inverse functions, etc., graphing functions. So we'll be using lots of pre-calculus. Again, I'll make an effort to indicate the places where pre-calculus is coming into play and remind you of those skills. Also, calculus takes practice. All of mathematics takes practice, but calculus in particular. You have to solve problems yourself. It's one thing to watch me in the video do an exercise and show how to solve a problem. But it's better if you try to do it yourself. I like to talk about, tell my students, it's like becoming a basketball player. If you want to be a good basketball player, it won't be enough just to watch others play basketball, will it? You have to shoot the baskets yourself. That's how you become a good basketball player. And the same is true of calculus. You have to do the problems yourself. Fortunately, we have a workbook that goes along with this course, and in there we have exercises, and I invite you to attempt to do those exercises after you've gone through the corresponding lecture.